Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. In today's video, we will talk about the Affiliatable affiliate program. Affiliatable is a web app designed specifically for affiliate marketers. It helps them create visually appealing elements like comparison tables and product boxes to showcase products and include their affiliate links. Here's how you can join the Affiliatable affiliate program and how it works. To enroll in the affiliate program, you must submit an affiliate application and be approved. Applications might be accepted automatically. You will be notified once your application has been accepted and your information has been reviewed. After getting approved, you will be issued a special URL, which will be unique to you and you only. They provide a 30 days cookies duration, increasing your chance of earning commissions. The rate of the referral ranges from 15% to 35%. The rate depends on the number of referrals you have made. You get a commission of 15% when you start. When you refer more than 100 customers, you get in the growth tier where you earn 25% commission. Likely, when you have referred more than 200 customers, you get in the expert tier where you earn a commission of 35%. The commissions may increase or decrease based on current market trends. The payout system is simple. The minimum threshold is of $250 and you are paid 30 days after the month end. You are paid via a PayPal account which you provide when you join. One thing to note is that your business must be able to issue an invoice in order to receive your payouts. Even if the terms sound somewhat rigid, it only adds up a security layer, which is good for you and avoiding scams. The link to the affiliate program is in the description. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you again soon.